If I could tell you about a simple process that my clients have been using to remove brain fog and chronic fatigue, would you want to know about it? Hello, everyone. My name is Jeanette Prado. I am the host of Happiness from Within. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today, we're going to be talking about brain fog and chronic fatigue and how you, as an entrepreneur and business owner, can start reversing this. This is actually something that affected me back in 2020, not because of the pandemic. It literally was just a condition that sprouted, and I was released from my job, unfortunately, because I was making mistakes. I didn't know what was going on. So this comes from personal experience. And so let's go ahead and jump right in. Let's talk about where does brain fog come from? What is the root cause of it? So the root cause of chronic fatigue and brain fog is actually viral. It comes from a virus called EBV, okay? And EBV starts in the liver, okay? It's something that was started in a lab back in the early, I believe, 1940s. All this information I'm sharing with you is coming from Medical Medium. Okay, you can check him out, Anthony Williams. He's been helping millions of people all over the world to reverse chronic illness. Okay, so EBV has different stages. It has stage one, two, three, and four. It can even go up to stages five and six. Okay, most people have stage four of brain fog when it gets really bad. Okay, and what happens is that EBV, as it's growing in the body over the years, is most of the time it starts in the liver. Okay, and then it can spread to other organs. It can affect the thyroid, your nerves, and it's also what causes most people that have brain fog are also dealing with chronic fatigue, chronic pain. Okay. So we have to know basically how to kill off the virus, right? I want you to know that you can heal. That's the first thing. You don't not have to live with this for the rest of your life. Maybe you're somebody that's no longer able to work because of these conditions that you are having. Okay. So one in every nine people are dealing with some sort of liver issue. So I want you to know that you are in the right place. Okay. I'm a certified holistic health coach. I've been helping women for many years with their health. Okay. And I just want to tell you, like, I've gone through the fog, the chronic fatigue, the chronic pain. I'm still reversing many symptoms, but the brain fog was one of the symptoms that I did reverse actually within 3 months. Now, that's not something I can promise you that you'll reverse it within 3 months because everybody's different. We have to focus on the liver, okay? Why the liver, okay? So the liver is full of so many pesticides, herbicides, insecticides, okay? And one of the things that you can start doing to heal your liver is to start with celery juice first thing in the morning, okay? This is so hydrating and so healing that the moment that you start taking the celery juice, it kills off strep. It starts to kill off EBV. Okay. And start with 16 ounces, and then you're going to work your way up to 32 ounces. Okay. Then what you're going to do is you're going to wait 30 minutes. Okay. 30 minutes, and you're going to have water with lemon. Start with 16 ounces, work your way up to 32 ounces. Okay. You're going to take filtered water and you're going to squeeze either a lemon or a lime into the water. Okay. Really, really simple. And this is going to help to start loosening up toxins and starting getting rid of the garbage that, each of us has in our body. Okay. You're going to wait another 30 minutes. The third thing that you want to have is what's called a heavy metal detox smoothie. If you just go to Google and type in heavy metal detox smoothie, you can get the details for this. Okay. The heavy metal detox smoothie is really what was the biggest game changer for me. The first 90 days that I was doing the morning cleanse by Medical Medium. And if you, again, just Google heavy metal detox smoothie, you can get all of the ingredients. It has 5 ingredients, powerful ingredients. You can blend everything together or just eat everything as long as it's within the same day. And what this is going to do, it's going to start to remove toxic heavy metals that you have in your body, and then toxic heavy metals that you possibly have in your brain. And it's going to start reducing that viral load that you have in your body. Okay. So, because what happens is when EBV spreads so much in the body, okay, it's what's causing the brain fog is because the liver is backed up. Okay. Now, if you're somebody that's really sensitive and you feel that maybe it's too much, I can definitely give you some other recommendations. Really, it varies from person to person. We definitely would have to most likely jump on a call, see if what I can do to possibly help you if you feel that it's a good fit. But let me give you some more, I want to give you some more tools that you can start doing today. Okay. So one of the things that you can do is if you are somebody that is sensitive, okay, what you can do is start to bring potatoes into your diet, okay? The potatoes are not known as a nightshade vegetable, okay? So every morning you want to make sure that you're doing the water with lemon and then the celery juice. And the reason for that is because when you start to bring in potatoes, you want to make what it does is it helps us to set the hydraulic acid in your stomach, okay? So when you start to bring in potatoes and all these other things, it's also going to help so you don't feel so hungry throughout the day, okay? So if you are feeling hungry pretty often, that's most likely because you're having um an adrenal issue, okay? So the adrenals are definitely a big factor when you're dealing with chronic fatigue, okay? So there's neurological fatigue and there's also adrenal fatigue. Most people have neurological fatigue. Usually adrenal fatigue is when you're, for example, let's say like in the middle of the afternoon, you start to get kind of tired or you wake up and you don't feel fully rested, okay? Um, that could be signs of just adrenal fatigue. Now, the neurological fatigue is when you're pretty much feeling tired throughout the day. You have a hard time sleeping. Okay, maybe around 4 o'clock, you get also tired. Okay, there's different symptoms to look at. Again, we would need a one-on-one consultation to really look at everything, see what you're eating. We can put together a meal plan. If that's something that does resonate with you, comment below discovery, and either myself or somebody on my team will get back to you and we can book a free discovery call. Okay. So one of the things in regards to the potato is what's called the potato mono cleanse. You can actually get this information from Anthony's book, Cleanse to Heal. Excuse me, I don't have it here in front of me. It's in the closet, but it's in the closet. I promise it's not like that. I rent a very small space where I'm at, so I don't exactly have a bookshelf. But anyways, gotta have a good laugh, right? So it's called Cleanse to Heal, though. All the information is in there. But what you can do is the potato mono cleanse is basically you're having potatoes all day, okay? And there's different all other different mono cleanses that you can choose from. There's the papaya mono cleanse. I'm recommending the potato because it's one of the most gentle, okay? It doesn't cleanse like as quickly as other cleanses, but you have to realize that when you're healing the liver, you have to recognize that it's going to take time, right? Um, Everybody has different viral loads in their body when it comes to, reducing the viral load and healing your liver. Okay. It's not just EBV that we're dealing with here. Today, we're talking about chronic fatigue and chronic pain, right? There's also HHPV. There's so many different things. I don't want to overwhelm you, but I just want you to know that there's answers out there as far as what you can do to heal. Okay. Most people that are dealing with chronic illness, they're probably dealing with multiple symptoms, right? I've been working on reversing 30 symptoms. And the brain fog was one of those that I feel very fortunate that I was able to heal within a short period of time, right? And so, excuse me. Um, yeah, that's the video that I have for you guys today. I just want you to know that you can heal, okay? And yeah, my soul is just I actually would just love to give you some other tips, some other things that you can do. Um, if you're somebody that you feel like you want to add some more protocols to your morning, one things that medical medium recommends is to take out any sort of radical fat. So that includes, avocado. And definitely one of the big no-nos when you're healing from chronic illness is removing eggs, dairy, and gluten. If those are three that you can start removing today, that's going to be a big game changer for you. So what you want to do is like if you are somebody that likes to have like meat or, like your avocado toast, just wait until lunchtime. Give your liver some time to start cleansing out, all of the toxins and everything that is there from the day before. Okay. We have to realize that it doesn't matter what your age is, like the EBV could have been passed down when you were born, right? When I'm saying the day before, I'm talking also from years and years ago. There's herbicides, pesticides, all of these things and toxins, toxic heavy metals, right, that are inhibiting our liver and that are causing these different symptoms. Having these symptoms is not normal, right? If you're a woman dealing with like menopause, right, or you're having cramps, people say that it's normal. It's not normal when you're dealing with these symptoms. That's why I have my motto up here. I'm pointing the wrong way. My motto is that you can heal. You can heal. You can see it right up there. People lose hope. They think that they can't heal. If it's one of the biggest things you get out of today's message is that yes, you can heal. Okay. So what I want to add is, so one of the things that you can do is you can do the celery juice, you can do the water with lemon, and then another thing that you can bring in is melons. Melons. What type of melons? There's cantaloupe, right? There's watermelon, and there's also honeydew melon. Okay. So what you can do is after you have your celery juice, after you wait 30 minutes, is you can bring in the watermelon. I would say start with a half of a watermelon. Watermelon is one of the most cleansing melons. You can either blend it up, okay, or you can just eat it straight out of the watermelon. Another thing you can do to do even deeper healing is to actually blend the green part with the red part. The green part of the watermelon is actually extremely healing. Medical Medium talks about this in his book, Life-Changing Foods. Okay. You can read about it in there if you want, or you can also juice it. You can juice it together with the red part of the watermelon, or you can just juice the rinds, the green. I'm trying to think of the name. The green part of the watermelon, you can also juice it. I personally like to juice that, and then the red part I like to blend it just because it's already pretty watery. There's no need to juice the watermelon. That just doesn't make sense to me, but whatever um suits you, let that work for you. Okay? So yeah, and then what I would do is wait 30 minutes if you want to have in that same morning, if you want to have like the honeydew melon or the cantaloupe. I would wait at least 20, 30 minutes after you have the watermelon. And only because, like I mentioned, the watermelon has its own healing properties. And I just give it a little bit of time before you have the honeydew melon and the cantaloupe. Okay. So that's my message that I have for you guys today. I'm so ecstatic and so excited to help you women entrepreneurs that are dealing with these symptoms. As an entrepreneur, you are dealing with a lot of heaviness sometimes, a lot of demands. Maybe, things are not flowing sometimes, it's always different every day, right? So to help you take control of your business and your health, I would love, love, love to hop on a free discovery call to see if we're a good fit to work together, answer some questions that you have. Just keep in mind, it's not a health consultation. It's just a call to see how I can possibly help you. So if that's something that resonates with you, you can go to JeanettePrado.com to actually book your session. Or if you want to, depending what platform you are watching this on, you can also DM me or comment discovery. And I would love, again, to set up a free call with you. So I really hope you received value from today's call. And I will catch you guys on the next video. And I'm just wishing you guys such a wonderful, fabulous day. And remember to smile because you're worthy. And I just want to ask, if you did receive value from this, please subscribe. So that way we can spread the message of happiness from within and to help more people to heal. Thank you guys so much and have a wonderful, fabulous day. Bye for now.